Welcome back to Get the Job Done. In today's episode, we're going over the retrofit kit for a Fireye, the red box sets, like this one right here. There is no quiet in my life right now, so you get all the background noise of my house. Congratulations. So with that being said, let's move right on into this video. Go straight to it. Today we get to install a retrofit kit for a Captive Aire unit. We have your M4RT1 Fireye. We're doing a retrofit kit. This has a UVI. There is no flame rod. It has a little UVI right here. This sees the flame, and once it sees the flame, it sends a signal to your Fireye. So I'm just unscrewing this guy here. So it's just a little eyeball. It sees the flame. I'm gonna take this guy off, put a 1/2 inch black pipe nipple on there, not nipple, 1/2 inch black pipe coupling for our flame rod that they gave us. So over here, like I said, we got the old Fireye. Used to be right there. Take that screw off the front, slide the cover off. Reveals this guy here. There's a screw right here and a screw right there that you loosen at the top and bottom. This guy comes off. On the bottom of it, it has the wiring diagram for the terminal strip. So this right here matches this here. You remove your wires. I label them, tape and marker. Make it sit easy. So I'm gonna remove the 4 screws here, pull this out once I got all the wires moved and marked. Install the new one here. Rewire it according to the new Fireye. And then I'm going to install the flame sense probe, flame sensor. They are cut to fit, the ones that Captive Aire sends you. I'll show you that. I'm going to cut it down after I line it up. Avast you mateys! Make sure you bring extra wire, because it's not going to be long enough inside the unit. Make the corrections. Make them long enough. Don't pull them too tight. Make it look nice. Alright, so here's a slightly closer look to the UVI that Captive Aire doesn't use anymore. It is obsolete in their parts list. And that's why I'm changing the system over to a flame rod. So, see there, I've got the coupling and a new rod cut to fit. Now I put the lid back on this thing, the top of the cover, and we see if everything starts up. Sounds like a damper is opening. And contactor pulled in, control, airflow, pilot, flame, and I hear the flame too. Pilot's gonna go out now. Bloop. Flame stays on. It works. Hell to the yeah! And then I'm just gonna make sure my amplifier is pushing the correct temperature. But as far as the retro kit, it's all set. Congratulations to me. Arr, you land-loving scallywags! I said make it look nice.